Hi, I'm Kavita Ralhan. In this video, I'll be talking about microwave convection oven from the brand IFB, model number 20BC5. So let's get started. Now this is a 20-liter microwave convection oven from the brand IFB. It's full black in color and a lot of people like black appliances because they match with their kitchen decor, kitchen interiors. Now here it is 20-liter capacity, which is good for domestic use, and if you have a family of 4 to 6 people, the size is appropriate. Now it has some amazing features like you can do oil-free cooking in this. So people who are fitness freaks and all would love to have this. Plus you can bake in this, you can cook in this, you can boil in this, you can make pizzas and brownies and cakes and whatnots. In fact, it comes with 71 auto cook menus. In fact, I was just looking at this. There are a lot of recipes mentioned on top of this microwave oven. Like there's a baking counter which talks about your eggless cake, marble cake, chocolate muffins and all. All recipes for breakfast you can make in this, like bread twist, poha, dokla, idli, everything. For you can make pasta sauces, you can make soups. There are cooking secret recipes, your all-time favorite like popcorn if you want to make, your corn chaat if you want to make. And then you have this Indian daily menu, you have healthy cooking menu. So all 71 recipes are mentioned on top of this, and they've mentioned what button you have to press in order to make those recipes. It comes with a 3-year warranty on the magnetron and 1-year warranty on the product. And you can see this is the control panel and this is the handle to the door. Now if I open this, all these things come along with this microwave convection oven. You get these 2 grill racks and you get a baking tray. Now these 2 grill racks are used for different types of cooking, like for example if you want to bake pizzas and all, you can do on this, and if you want to make paneer tikka or chicken tikka or any kebabs and all, you can grill on this. Now this is the baking tray to do your brownies or cookies. In fact, pizza also you can keep on this. So this is the tray. It's very easy to clean, and here you can see the main glass tray where you keep your microwave safe bowls and all for reheating purposes. You can also use this microwave oven for defrosting purposes if you want to defrost veg snacks, non-veg snacks, you can do all that. Now this microwave convection oven also comes with this user manual which talks about all the things in detail, like it talks about the weight of the product, its capacity, its measurement, what is the power consumption, and in fact it also talks about if you want to make one recipe, what are the modes that you have to choose. Now let me quickly take you through the control panel. As you can see, this is for your microwave. The wattage power is 1200 watts. Plus this is for the weight and all. That means if you want to defrost something by weight, you can choose this button. This is again for your convection, for your grill, smart choice. If you want to choose from the auto cook menus, you can do that from this. Plus this is the timer, and then this is the play button, and this is the quick start button. So all in all, it's a great product for daily use and it won't occupy much space in your kitchen. And I love the fact that not only you can reheat food in this, but you can cook food in this. In fact, there's one sticker that says you can register at IFB Care for free cooking classes. So you can always do that. That's it for this IFB convection microwave oven 20BC5. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Stay tuned in for more videos.